If your PC lags, if your PC is slower than your grandma's mobile phone, there's a hidden strategy and setting that can make it up to 200% faster. And this is not a scam. It is built into your PC, and I'm going to show you how everything works. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to unlock this. No downloads, no tricks, just pure speed. But before we get into it, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated, and don't forget to join us on Telegram and WhatsApp channel from the links in video description. Let's get on to it. We're going to optimize our system to load faster and unlock a hidden power mode. At the end of this video, we'll unlock a new power mode, clean up secret startup programs, and activate a RAM tweak that even YouTubers don't talk about in their videos. So if you're ready to make your PC load faster, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and join our Telegram channel for more updates. And don't forget to share this video with your friends to make life easier for them. Let's start with the real magic. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different options that will help make your PC run faster without installing anything. These are all inbuilt settings that we're going to run in this video. 1. Ultimate Performance Mode. The first option is the Ultimate Performance Mode. How to set it up and make your system run faster. 2. Disable Startup Load. Secondly, I'll show you how to disable startup load and all those things that slow your PC down. 3. Adjust for best performance. Thirdly, I'll show you how to adjust your PC for best performance. 4. Bonus RAM tweak. Lastly, I'll give you a bonus tip that will help boost your RAM. Pay close attention to this video because it's going to blow your mind and make your system run faster with ease. Step 1. Ultimate Performance Mode. To set it up, go to your desktop and search for Command Prompt. Open it and copy the code, which will be on our Telegram or WhatsApp channel. Paste the code into Command Prompt and hit Enter. You'll see a prompt confirming the change. Then, go to your control panel by pressing Windows key plus S and searching for Control Panel. Click on it, then go to System and Security Power Options. You'll see options like Balanced, Recommended, but select Ultimate Performance instead. This unlocks maximum CPU power, kills throttling, and puts Windows into beast mode. Your system will go from level 1 up to 10. Step 2. Disable Startup Load. If your PC still lags, the next step is to disable Startup Load. Many times your PC boots slowly because unnecessary apps are running at startup. To fix this, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable apps you don't use by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Apps like OneDrive, Skype, or WhatsApp may be running unnecessarily at startup. Disabling them will speed up your system. Step 3. Adjust for best performance. To remove fancy visuals that slow your PC, press Windows key and search for View Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Select Adjust for Best Performance. Click OK. This will make your PC run faster, especially if you use it for heavy tasks. Step 4. Bonus RAM tweak. If your RAM is full, your system will lag. This tweak helps convert storage into virtual RAM. It boosts RAM space and improves performance. If you found this helpful, kindly subscribe to I Am Justina and join us for more updates. Tell us your result in the comment section.